Happy day, children. If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you're determined to learn, no one can stop you. So, your determination plays a major role. So, if you're willing to learn, if you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you're determined, no one can stop you. So, keep in mind. Already for the past 2 weeks, past 1 week, we were discussing about the tenses, present, past and future. Already I said present tense for the habitual action you have to use, past tense for the completed action, future tense for the action which will take place. See the definition. The past tense of a verb, that the past tense of a verb tells that something already happened, ate, ran, swam, that and all. Present tense tells us something is happening now, that is the apple tastes good. And for universal truths, day-to-day activities, I get up at 6 o'clock. Future, the future tense of a verb tells that something will happen in the future. That will happen in the future by next week or next day or next year. It's like that. I will study 9th standard next year. I will write exam by the end of this month. That is your midterm test, maybe by the end of this by the end of this month. Now let us revise the continuous forms. Continuous means the action should be going on. It should be going on. Continuous is continue. It should be going on. The format, you know it very well. Am or is or are plus main verb with ing. You see the example. I am driving to work now. He, she, it means it takes is. Third person singular, it takes is. Plural subject we, you, they, it takes are. So I hope it is clear for you. The action should be going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, it should go on. It should be a continuous process, children. Keep in mind, learn the concept properly. Then future continuous, same thing. Continuous tense to talk about an action or situation that we think will be continuing. In mind only, because future, already it is future. So, it will be continuing at a particular time of the future. By this time next year, you will be studying in 9th standard. By this time next week, you will be writing your midterm test or some other test. Is it clear? At that time, by this time next week, next day, I will be watching a movie. So it goes on in that way. So continuous means, keep in mind whether it is present, past or future, it should be continuous one. The past continuous describes actions or events a time before now which began in the past and still it is going on. You see the word, highlighted word, still going on at the time of speaking. It should be going on, whether it is present, past or future, it doesn't matter. It should be a continuous action. To make the past simple verb would be subject with was or were, then add verb with ing. You have to add was or were. So they means plural subject takes were. They were watching. She wasn't reading. It is she. Was she reading? It is a question format. So the main verb, the before verb comes first, then the subject, and then the main verb with subject. Then today's topic is perfect tenses. The perfect tense is used to describe action that began in the past and continues in the present, that has been just completed. Just now it has been completed. I have written my exam. I have written my English classwork. The format is as or have plus past participle, that is V3 we used to say. Already I have given the list. Now refer the list. Past participle, children, you have to memorize, otherwise it will be very difficult. The present perfect tense is used to describe action that began in the past. It should begin in the past and continues in the present, and it is for completed action. For the action completed just now. The teacher has just entered the class. The train had left the station just now. So clear? As or have plus past participle. 3 forms I have given. Now I said you try to use it. Then past perfect tense takes place before another past action. There will be, already I said, for past continuous there will be 2 action. Same way for past perfect also 2 action. I noticed that he had left his books. That 2 completed one. Just now completed, that in past. Keep in mind, children, the action is the continuous means it was continuing in the past or in the future, or in the same way perfect means just now completed action. It should be in the past. That's it. The verb guides you. It is in I notice. It is in past form that he had left his book began. Add plus past participle. Then future perfect tense. It is used to describe the action that will be finished by some specific time or date. Here, they are not just now complete action. Here, the action should be completed with that limited time. So the will plus have plus past participle. That is will plus have plus past participle. I will have written this book by next January. I will have written this novel by next January. Is it clear? The time taken for this, it should be completed before the specific time. So I hope the topic is clear for you. So now let us enter into our next part, word of the day. So word of the day, already I said a word a day keeps the dictionary away. Same way, make use of these words while just learn the meaning so that it will be easy for you. The word is blissful. Blissful means it is full of joy and happiness. You can see the picture. Mary is having a blissful time with her family. Blissful means happy. If you went for outing or inside your home also, if it is a sweet home, it is full of joy and happiness. So Mary is having a blissful time, means a time with full of joy and happiness with the family. Same way, you just blissful, you write, try to frame some sentences on your own. Word of the day, make note children. So it will be I hope you're making use of it. Okay, then thank you children. Learn that all the so far 9 tenses have been completed. So just recall all the things, learn the topic, today's topic, and a PDF has been given. All are simple exercises only. Try by yourself. If you have any doubt, message me. Thank you children. Have a nice day.